Welcome to my channel Teddy and Varshu. This is my first makeup tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to apply light party makeup. So let's get started. Step 1. Apply moisturizer cream on your face and then apply Greaseline as a primer on your face and on your neck. After applying Greaseline, next you have to apply foundation on your face. So once you are done with the foundation, next you have to apply concealer. Next step is blending concealer with the makeup. To do this, we need wet sponge in rose water. After blending concealer, it's time to set it with the help of compact powder. Next, we need to set our eyebrows using eyebrow kit. After completing eyebrows, we need to apply eyeshadow. You can choose any light color from the shadow kit. Next, apply eyeliner, kajal and glitter eyeliner to complete eye makeup. As you can see, the eyes are ready. It's time to apply bronzer to highlight your makeup around cheeks, nose, forehead and chin. Next, you have to apply blush to give color to your cheeks. After applying blush, we need to use highlighter to give final touch to our face makeup. Lastly, to complete our makeup, we will apply lipstick. You can use bindi if you want. So here is the final look. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel